The different municipalities and city comprising the province of Davao Oriental in Region 11 or Davao Region. The province of Davao Oriental has Passi City as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Mindanao Island Group in Region 11 or Davao Region. It is composed of 1 city, 10 municipalities, and 183 barangays. It was founded on May 8, 1967. The total land area is 5,679.64 kilometers squared or 2,192.92 square miles. Davao Oriental is bordered clockwise from the north by Agusan del Sur, Surigao del Sur, Philippine Sea, Davao Gulf, and Davao de Oro. Here are the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Davao Oriental in Region 11 or Davao Region. The municipality of Baganga with 18 barangays, municipality of Banay-Banay with 14 barangays, municipality of Boston with 8 barangays, municipality of Caraga with 17 barangays, municipality of Katiil with 16 barangays, municipality of Governor Generoso with 20 barangays, municipality of Lupon with 21 barangays, and the municipality of Manay with 17 barangays. We also have the provincial capital or the provincial center, the component city, Passi City with 26 barangays, the municipality of San Isidro with 16 barangays, and the municipality of Tarragona with 10 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Davao Oriental in Region 11 or Davao Region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.